Hello all. Now I'm going to explain you how to write a document in a LaTeX software. So first of all, what is LaTeX software? LaTeX software. LaTeX is a typesetting language which is used for writing formatted documents in a highly controlled fashion. Right? The documents that LaTeX produces are extremely professional looking. Extremely professional looking documents will have, and also it's an excellent language to use if you used to use a lot of mathematical notations. Here we are going to learn about all these things: how to write a paper, research paper, how to write a thesis, and how to write an article by using LaTeX software. So here I'm going to write the program, or else I'm going to write the paper by using website overleaf.com. Okay, so in that you can have the inbuilt program, so you can you can simply edit the program and you can write the thesis or paper. Okay, so for that one also we need some basic knowledge about that, where to write, what to write, and what the parameters we have to consider. Okay, that we will see now. So here, this is the document program. They are given all the details there. So here document class 12 point A4 paper article. So here this is A4 paper and I'm writing 12 point. The size of the font size is 12 point. So here use package, here we are having the different packages for figures, mathematical notations, and font styles, like that we are having different packages. So for that, here this use package is for this is the output where we are going to have now. So here I'm going to consider margin, how much margin we can leave and how much margin we can use for writing the document. Okay, let us take horizontal margin and vertical margin, which is depends upon your university guidelines of how to write a thesis. Based on that one you can get what is the horizontal length, what is the vertical length, you can remove, you can leave. Okay, so that represents the geometry. Okay, so after that, here title, every line is starts with a reverse backslash, backslash. So here I am going to write reverse slash title. Here title I'm going to take, this is a tutorial on latex and latex. Tutorial like author name is here, let's take, my name is Jagan Rampalli. So date is today's date, that is 1st May. Yes, I'm writing American style, May 1st 2020. 2020. So this is over. Now here to write a document we should have starting of the document and ending of the document. So starting of the document, the core line is reverse slash begin document, and end document is end document, begin and end. Between these two lines you have to write the entire thesis or entire paper. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am taking a title, reverse slash make a title. Title means what? Like chapter names, introduction, subsections, and all the about that. So here I'm giving introduction and any document. Okay, let us compile this. You can see the output. So what is there? Like this you can see. Like this you can see. So tutorial on LaTeX, Jagan Rampalli, May 1st, 2020, introduction. Right? So this is the format, you can change as you want. Now I'm going to do one more change here, that is I'm going to add some I'm going to write, I'm going to insert one more section here. Let us take subsection. If you type one or two letters, you can get the command here. Let us take that is new chapter. Okay, you can write about something this new chapter, like the documents that latex produces are extremely professional. Let us leave professional looking. Let us leave this. Okay, now compile this. So like that you are going to have here. If you see this one new chapter, and the new chapter, I'm going to have the data which have been provided. So at the same time we can write data also here. Let us write latex is a type of is a typesetting language used for writing formatted documents in a highly controlled fashion. Again you can compile it. See the beauty of this program. You can directly you are going to have the PDF. You are going to write in the PDF. You are going to write in the PDF. If you download it, you will see that how it looks like. Okay, and I will insert. I want to insert one more topic here. That one more means I'm going to insert subsections. So subsection also going to have subsection. So subsection. Let us write about here about let us write latex. About this we will write here. Let us write about this. It's an excellent language. You can write something, you whatever you want to use if you need to use a lot of notations mathematical notations. So like that you can write your thesis or research paper or whatever. So you can see, you can observe here the introduction font size in new chapter font size, about latex font size are proportionately decreasing, and it will be proportionately will be there. So this is based upon the base is 12 point. So if you give 14 point, proportion changes will be there. Proportionate change, see that proportionate changes will be there. So let us give 20 here. That is the change. Can give here. So base better is 12 point. Like that you can change, right? So here you have finished your data or research paper in on a paper, and here we have the page name, the title numbers also given accordingly. Automatically it will be provided by the LaTeX only. So here before the research paper or thesis, we need to give let us go for research this project report. We need to make contents, no, table of contents. So let us write the table of contents here. Table of contents. Table of contents. So this is a one word command. Let's see this. Let's compile. See the beauty. Contents, introduction, new chapter about latex here, right? So here you can see the page number also indicated. New chapter on 2, about latex on 2. So here the page number is 2, right? So let us change. Um let us do some changes here. Let us do some changes. I'm going to make. Let's check it whether it is working or not. Let's compile it. Sorry. Let us go for new chapter here. Here we'll do modifications. Okay, you can see here. I'm keeping all the dotted lines. No. In all the command lines, I'm keeping dots, but it is considering only the horizontal one. Okay, so for that you have to write the entire line here. You have to write the entire line here. See that. So even if you leave the lines, nothing will be happen in the output. So if even if you leave the empty places also here, nothing will be no changes will be appear on the paper output. See that, right? No changes. Even if you change the more number of gap, if you give the more number of gap also, there is no change. It will be same as it is. So we can remove this one. Let's compile again. Like that you can do it. Understood? So table of contents, it will be like this, and subsections, subsection also you can provide. It can provide automatically. Okay. So this is about how to write a research article or else report thesis. Okay, so please like and share share my channel to get more uploads from me. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please do a comment.